In a world where trust forms the foundation of relationships, these two friends had built an unbreakable bond. They shared openly with each other, revealing their hopes, dreams, and including their personal information.
That I want to buy something online, but I don't have that money.
Come on. Remember, you have access to Sophia's Gcash, right?
So PSG. How?
Huh, come on, Angela. You know how close you two are. She given her details on you for the past emergency, right?
Yeah, but I don't think she wanted to use it for my personal stuff.
Come on. She's trust on you completely. Besides, you wouldn't mind it.
I don't know. I feel swear. Information without asking.
You know, it's not a big deal for her.
You know, the other day, I heard Angela and Nathaniel talking.
What are you talking about?
I heard them that they will use your Gcash without your permission.
This is unbelievable. Trust it. Who to talk to her?
Once trust is shattered, it leaves behind wounds that run deep. Be vigilant about whom you share your personal information with.